My name is Kevin Benz, and I'm the owner of Turning Point Industries in Atwater, California. And we build hydraulic cylinders as well as repair hydraulic cylinders. We use a carbon steel product, okay, to make our hydraulic cylinders, and which rusts, and it rusts fast. And so we get product in that's heavily coated in grease, just as it lands on our floor before we ever touch it. And then we cut it up, and some of that grease, because we use a water-based soluble oil in most of our processes, we'll cut some of that grease, but not all of it. So the product is greasy when it comes in. It's cleaned somewhat so that we can just handle it. And of course, we build pressure vessels. That's what a hydraulic cylinder is. They pump oil into it, they pressurize that oil, and it moves large loads of weight very precisely. That's what hydraulics is all about. I'm in what's called a dirty industry, okay? I deal with a lot of product that's hazmat, unsavory stuff, hard on the lungs, hard on the skin, just hard on everything, hard on machinery, fumes, all of these things. And I manufacture in the state of California, which is almost like another quantum leap forward in not wanting to deal with that type of product. And so what we use to degrease, and it's very effective, is acetone. And if you know anything about acetone, you know it's pretty nasty stuff. And nobody likes it, everybody uses it, but nobody likes it for all those reasons I just mentioned. Fumes, caustic to the hands, California hates it. I didn't frankly like it much, it's expensive. I had the opportunity to be presented with this Simple Green HD Precision, and it just checked all the boxes, basically. It was beautiful. It wasn't hazmat. It was less expensive. The state of California didn't have a boo to say about it, and the product worked. It degreased the cylinders every bit as well as acetone. So it was literally the prototypical example of a win-win. There was absolutely no downside to it, only upside. So it was kind of a no-brainer to pick, the Simple Green product over the acetone. I got rid of acetone as soon as I discovered it worked. We simply dilute it in spray bottles. It cleans our cylinders. But not only does it clean cylinders, whereas acetone degreased the cylinders and the cylinders only, the Simple Green product washes our floors, cleans our machines, cleans our whiteboards, it cleans the cylinders. It's versatile. It was just really a very simple decision. I mean, I make some tough decisions in my role here. That was an easy one. That was a really easy one. It did everything it was supposed to do and far more than I expected it to do. And it did it without creating hazmat, without causing eczema on people's skin, without breathing in toxic fumes, and it did it at a lower price. So, I mean, you didn't have to be an MBA from the Baker School to figure out that was a good decision, you know what I mean? Sure. And then one day, I couldn't get my whiteboard clean with the stuff that they sell for cleaning whiteboard, right? And so I said, well, let's try this. And, wiped it right off. I thought, well, that's kind of interesting. And then I walk out there one day and the guys are cleaning the machines, and I thought, that's pretty cool. It cleans machines too. And then they're mopping the bathroom floors with it. And I was like, okay. So it basically does everything you'd want it to do and a whole bunch of things you never even dreamed it would do. And that's a good product by anybody's definition, right? Who doesn't want a product like that?